What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks.
Yep.
Today we're going to be working on my truck again, 2007 GMC Canyon.
Yeah.
Specifically, the tailgate handle doesn't work anymore. No, it's not locked. It's unlocked. It's just, it broke. So I have a new one.
A brand new one. And tell them about this new one and the old one.
This one's a little more expensive, and it seems like it's a higher quality. So, you know, like in our last video, I think, so you get what you pay for. So it's worth shelling out a couple extra bucks. This one's not very old. It's a couple months. It's only been here a couple months.
Wow. Yeah.
So hopefully we won't have to do this again.
Yeah. I guess we're ready. You ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Here we go. All right. So we can't get it open, right? So how are you gonna get it open, right? You gotta get in there. So there's a mechanism inside of here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here is where a bar would sit that connects to the links. So when you pull it, it pushes it down. Well, that piece is broken, so trusty screwdriver. So you just stick it in, you find it, pop it down, and it opens. And bada bing. We gotta take off all these screws.
Let's go for it.
Get a little drill. We're racing to see which one's better.
Yeah.
That's all of them.
Right.
Now, we just lift away.
Oh, look.
Another plate. Look at that.
This one's only got 4 screws in it. I'm gonna let him take care of all of them.
We have removed it, and now we shall get tools to take it off.
There are
10mm bolts.
There's 3 bolts. Of course, it's in this orientation, but 2 on the right from where the camera is and 1 on the left.
And now, the new one doesn't come with a lock mechanism for the key, or else you'd have to buy a whole new key and everything.
Yeah, we can reuse the lock. Yours should come with a bar. Ours did. Our new one did. But if it doesn't, you can reuse the old one. All the other bars in here need to stay there. There's 2 others.
All right, look at that. It does go out. It does not go in.
We are going to take the lock off because obviously I don't have one, like Trevor was saying.
Yep. The old new one doesn't have one, which is very simple. Just 1 bolt.
And you can pretty much discard that old one.
Now, this does have a notch in the plastic, which way this goes, if anyone gets confused, 'cause I think we got confused last time. But yeah, so the little notch is right there, and you just slide it in.
Right up.
All right, so you got the lock in there. We're gonna go ahead and just install this little pole here. So each of these have their own little plastic clips, and right in there, and then you just slide the clip over and snap. That easy. And we'll do the same with the ones that are already in. So reverse engineer this, put that in, clip that one, put this one in, clip that one, little green clips. Little green clips this time.
Yeah, the old ones are white.
Now we're just putting the 10mm bolts back in it. Get them started by hand. Doggy cam.
So there she is. All right, Bailey. All right. So now you guys have seen Bailey.
So now, that's it. Everything works. Make sure that working over there, you see the thing moving. Good to go. Let's try it out before we put it all together. Oh wow, that closes a lot better than the last one.
Sounds better. Yeah. No kidding. It's all in the
Wow,
latch.
feel that too. Feel that.
Yeah. Wow, that's way better.
Yep.
Cool. So again, you get what you pay for.
Yep.
Shell out a couple extra bucks if you're replacing it. You might as well. Wow, that's incredible. Feels like it's new, like a factory one.
So now we just put it all back together. Yep.
I'll grab a screwdriver and help with 3 or 4.
On the home stretch. And that's how it's done. All right, guys. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? I hope that really helped you all out, and we're going to show you guys again what that work does. That easy. Man,
it's so much smoother. It
Yeah.
just sounds better. The old one was clunky and
it was
made
disgusting.
noises. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, good deal. So we got another video coming up next week. If you like that, like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have, nice to see you again. We'll
Heck
see you
yeah.
next time.